Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a registry backup in Windows 10. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click in the search bar and we're going to type run. Now we're going to open the Run desktop app up, and then in the bar here we're then going to type regedit. So that is REGEDIT. And then we're going to click OK. Now if a prompt appears, we're just going to click yes. And now the registry editor is open. We're now going to make sure that the computer is selected. And once we've made sure that the computer is selected, we're then going to click File, and we're then going to click Export. So now we just need to select a location that we want the backup file to be saved to. Now I would recommend that you save the backup file to some sort of removable storage device, so a USB or some other removable storage device, just so that you can separate the backup from the computer. Now, as I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to save the backup onto the desktop, and then you just need to give the backup file a name. So you can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call mine registry_backup. Right, so now we've given the backup file a name. All we need to do now is just click save, and it will now start creating a backup of the registry. Right, so now it's finished that, we now have a backup of our registry. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.